Hello guys, welcome to Tips and Tricks on how to get your artistical works done in no time. So if you want to go, feel free to smash the like button, ring all the bell so you don't miss any of our tutorials when we release them. Are you a graphite artist? You love using graphite, but the problem is that it reflects a lot or your graphite not being dark enough to the way you want it. Here are a few things to consider when drawing with graphite. Now, when it comes to the reflective aspect, try not to press in on the paper. Each time you try using pressure to get those values you want, it tends to reflect. When it comes to reflection and attaining darkness, it's almost inevitable. Each time you want to make your graphite pencil very dark, it tends to appear reflective. There are a few things you can consider using your liquid paraffin, that is kerosene. There's a way you can use liquid paraffin to eradicate that reflection and completely gives you that charcoal darkness you want with your graphite. That is completely achievable. There's a link in the description that leads you to a video that shows you how to eradicate reflections and make your graphite works completely dark. Another thing you can do to eradicate reflections and get that complete darkness is substituting charcoal pencil for your darkest values and using your graphite for your mid-tones and light tones. Maybe you don't like using charcoal pencil, you hate the medium, possibly because it tends to appear brownish, it smudges, and you find it very hard to blend with it. Now, if that is the case, I don't think that should be a problem. Charcoal pencil is not bad. It's something that a lot of artists desire to use, but they tend to have a problem because of these few things I just mentioned, which is the brownish effect. They can blend with it and smudges a lot. Now, if that is the case, then you, my friend, don't have any problem because there's a link in the description that leads you to a video that solves that problem. So, all in all, my best suggestion to solve this problem is to use your charcoal pencil for your darkest values, use your graphite pencil for your mid-tones and your high tones. So that will be all for today. Do well to subscribe to the channel, ring all the bells so you don't miss out on tips and tricks and techniques to get your artworks done in no time. And do blinks, and this is Blinks Art.